Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add voiceover in CapCut. So let's get right into it. Head over to your CapCut application. Once you're there, you can just head over to new project. Here I'm selecting this one and tapping on add. Once I'm there, I'm just going over to the text option right here and then just tapping on the auto captions. Tap on the voiceover. Here, select any one of them. Suppose I'm selecting this one. Tap on generate. Once it is generated, just tap on play. And here you can see the voiceover I just did with that video is showing as captions right here. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.